Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And this is an update for Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin here? We have momently a nice pump here from Bitcoin, and now I will show you some things here. What is the best point here to buy? What is the best point to sell? What's going on with Bitcoin now? So guys, it's not so complicated. For the first thing, the easiest thing I will show you here, the parallel channel, the upgoing parallel channel from the downside to the upside, like this and like this. That's the easiest thing to check here for the first moment if you would like to know, should I buy or should I sell now? So you see we are in a good uptrend, everything is working fine, and you can see it, guys. Here we are on the downside of this uptrend. So this blue line here in the middle, this middle line here, is momently our resistance, and that's very, very important for trading. We know it, guys. This is our resistance. We are under this resistance, and Bitcoin must fight against this resistance. So that's the first big thing, the first quick overview on the 1 hour chart. Now make another downtrend here from this upside, from the highest point here over this point here to the downside, and to this point. This was here the lowest point, a parallel channel, a red one, a bearish one. And guys, you can see it now. Yes, the big thing is we are in an uptrend. That's very nice. The bad thing is we are in a downtrend in the uptrend. That is this red downtrend channel here. And in this downtrend channel, we are over this blue dotted line here, and that's very nice because that's momently our support, and we can make the support in green. So we have a support and we have a resistance. And so for the first view, if we zoom in here, guys, we can see it here very nicely. We are working in the downtrend, but on the upper side of this downtrend, and that's the first thing. So now let's check this picture here deeper. If you are in a trade now, we can check it better here. Where is the best place to buy and where is the best place to sell? So guys, we can make one thing, we can make a next channel here, because in the 15-minute chart, if we are going deeper into the chart, it's better to see here. We are in the downtrend, okay, and we can make another channel from here over this side to here, and this is momently the highest point here. So guys, we are trading momently in these channels, and these channels are always a resistance or a support. You can see it here very nicely. The blue line is here momently our support in this little uptrend channel here in the downtrend. So that's the first thing. If I'm trading, I make these channels, these parallel channels, to check what's going on here. If we have a support or if we have a resistance, where are the big supports and where are the big resistances? And you can see it now, guys. The big support here on this uptrend channel, we can make a price label like this, is momently on 48,300. That's a nice support here for the first thing. Okay, guys. Another thing here to watch is this point. We can make the parallel channel from this deepest point over this one and to this one. This was the lowest point, and so we have another nice uptrend channel. The middle line is the same, the target, the support is the same, but guys, if you look like this here, or if you can look at this here, you can see it, guys. This was our target here to the upside. So why is Bitcoin reacting momently on this line here? You can see it with the parallel channel very nicely here, because Bitcoin hit this channel here this time and also this time. Bitcoin is reacting on these channels. Why is Bitcoin reacting on these channels? Because a lot of traders are using these channels. A lot bots out there are using these channels, and this is a big thing for trading, guys. If you are trading here, a very important thing. How can we see the targets for the short term? How can we see the entries for the short term? So guys, that's the main thing here. A lot of guys ask me, should we sell here or should we not sell here? If you are in a short trade here and you bought here on the downside, maybe like this, or maybe like this, or maybe like this, you have to sell here in the short term. Why? Because we are trading these waves, we are trading these parallel channels. That's very easy, guys. Buy here on the downside, buy on 46,900, sell on 49,300. Take the profit, and perfect. It doesn't matter if it's going on here more to the upside or more. If you are trading these channels here, if you are trading these resistances here or the support, and this is the best thing you can make for short terms. You can make a lot trades in the hourly chart or in the 50-minute chart. You can see it, guys. In this opinion here, we had we could make a trade like this. Let me show you. Sorry. So the entry point like this, 46,500 entry point. Where is the point to go out? The point to go out for this trade was, let me show you, on the middle line here, like this, 47,800. Sell it. So this is a profit about 1,400, 1,500. Yes, about 1,500 US dollar profit with one Bitcoin, without leverage, without anything. This is a profit. So the next time, okay, let it go down again. You can buy in again this point. And now you can sell on the upside of this uptrend, and you can see it. What an amazing trade here. Entry about 47,000 and a take profit at 49,000, 49,200. Doesn't matter. You make good profits. You make a very good business if you're trading these waves here from the downside to the upside. For me, it's always important, can we break these middle lines or are we going down? If we break it confirmed like this here, you can see it. If I go deeper here, we broke this middle line confirmed here. The next candle, okay, we saw a spike, very dangerous. A stop loss always under the last point here, always under the last wick here on 47,700 maybe. And you see the stop loss did not work here, so you are in the trade, in a full trade here to the upside. Very nice trades. We can turn on now. We will take the 1 hour chart again, and this is simple trading, guys. Only channels, only parallel channels. There are no indicators. There are nothing to buy here or nothing. Also, you need no money to buy on TradingView if you would like to trade like this here. One thing. If we turn on the EMA ribbon now, you can see it, guys. We are clearly over the EMA ribbon. Yes, we have a short position since this point here, a good short to the downside, perfect. But now we're going up here. But Bitcoin is reacting on this channel, on this uptrend channel here, and is now spiking to this. Nobody can say it, guys. If it's going to the upside here to this, or if it's going to the downside. No one can tell you. But it's clear we are reacting on these channels, and we are trading these channels. That's the clear thing here. Okay, we are over the EMA. We are over the MA21. That's this line here. We are over the ribbon band. Very nice. Everything is working fine here. So Bitcoin is momently on a nice upgoing trend here. But guys, take a look at this. Where is the biggest resistance for the moment? You can see it. We are still in this downtrend, and the biggest resistance is, you can see it, if you're going up from here, 41,000, that's the biggest resistance. So it's easy. If you're asking me, Biti, should I sell now? Yes or no? Make your drawings here or look on my live stream, guys. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. You see these parallel channels on my live stream also. You see these ribbon bands, you see these short signals, long signals, everything you need to trade. You see on my live stream on Twitch and on YouTube. And you see also here, where's the next resistance? This resistance is clearly here on 49,400. We are momently here on this point, so I would sell here at this point if we can't break through this line. The next resistance is on 41,300. That's the downcoming line here of this downtrend channel, and the next one is here. We can take a look about this. If we're going up to this 54,600 maybe, because of the middle line here, of this big uptrend here. That's the big thing here. We have another thing we can watch, and this is I can show you why we saw a reaction also here to this point. It's very easy. You can see it here. We had a spike here on this point, and you can make a line from this highest point to this side, and this is momently a big resistance also. A resistance is always red like this and like this. So this is also a big resistance, not only this downline here with 41,300, we have a big resistance here also on 42,100 because of this last high here and the reaction here of Bitcoin of this last high here. You can see it here always, and here it's spike to the upside again, and now it's a resistance also. So a lot of resistances over our head. You know, guys, where are the resistances, and you can see also the big thing here to the upside. If we can go over these resistances here, we have a big nice target, 63,000 about. It depends always where will we reach it, 65,000 to this point, but it's not so important for the moment. You can see it's a possible target if we're going up here over this middle line. The next thing, guys, is let's check here. Yes, here it is. Sorry, this small line was the EMA 200, and this big fat MA 21 here is our support. Now we are over these lines on the 1 hour chart. Everything is looking fine here, guys. Looks nice. Let's check the 4 hour chart now. On the 4 hour chart, we have the very important things to watch, that are our EMA ribbon band. You can see it. This ribbon band is momently so small, we can't see it. Here's a big red one. Now it's green. We have a long position. Now it's red again with a short position. And it's very unsure because of the ribbon band, the direction. We are momently over the ribbon band. That's very nice. That's very good. We're over the MA 21. We're over the EMA 200. So that's a very bullish thing. That's a nice thing on the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, everything is looking nice. We have two big things to watch, guys. I would like to show you very quick here. Two big things. Remove these drawings, turn off everything, and we have a clear view here to the chart, and once again to the 1 hour chart. And yes, guys, in the 1 hour chart we have two possible patterns here. So the first thing, maybe we will see here a shoulder head shoulder. Maybe this is a shoulder, maybe this is the head, maybe this is the next shoulder. And if it is a shoulder head shoulder on the 1 hour chart, we have a baseline to draw here, a baseline from this point to this point. That's our baseline. Normally a shoulder head shoulder has a baseline not like this, it has a baseline like this, but it's possible to see a baseline like this. And if we're coming down again under this line, we have a clear breakout target for the shoulder head shoulder, and this is the point to watch. If we are breaking down this, maybe like this is the pattern, shoulder head shoulder, and we have a breakdown target about 40,000. A lot of guys are talking about 40,000. It's possible. 42,500 is a very possible target. Also, a lot of guys are thinking about this target here. So possible shoulder head shoulder. Okay, it's possible. We have another target here. We have another thing to watch, guys. Let's zoom out a little bit. And it's also possible on the 4 hour chart. Let's remove all drawings here. So this is the 4 hour chart. Let's move out here more and more. On the 4 hour chart, it's also possible to make a big shoulder head shoulder momently. It's very likely to see, it's not a perfect shoulder head shoulder, but it's possible a shoulder, oh sorry guys, a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. It's possible. And we have a baseline like this, a possible baseline. And if this big shoulder head shoulder will play out, we have also a possible target to the downside. It's not so brilliant momently, but I would like to show you here a quick overview for this. And this is on 27,000. I am talking about 27,000 since months, I think, or since weeks. That's for me always possible target to see 27,000 again. It's not impossible for me. So on the big time frame 4 hour chart, shoulder head shoulder possible. On the hourly chart, shoulder head shoulder possible. But also on this chart we have another thing, guys, to watch. Another possible target. Maybe we see an inverse shoulder head shoulder. An inverse shoulder head shoulder is a bullish target, and if this is an inverse shoulder head shoulder, let me show you. It's possible to see it like this. Maybe, guys, maybe this is the shoulder, this is the head, this is the shoulder. It's possible for an inverse. So a lot of possible shoulder head shoulder targets momently. And if this is the inverse, we have a baseline from here like this. We have a breakout target, highest point to the baseline, and we have this line to the upside, and we can draw it like this, not so perfect, and we have a target like this on 62,000. So guys, a lot of possible things here for the near future or for the next days here for Bitcoin. You can see it, inverse shoulder head shoulder is possible, also possible a normal shoulder head shoulder on the short time frame, and the next thing on the 4-hour time frame. We will see what's playing out here. We will see it on my live stream, Bitcoin Trading Informant live stream, live on Twitch and YouTube, 24 hours, 7 days a week. I'm always online there. Here is the live stream in a bad quality. We have it in full HD here. We can turn on full HD and you can see it here, guys. A lot of things. We can see here the 50-minute chart. You see all things I told you. Here is the downtrend channel. Here is the EMA. Here is the ribbon band, buy and sell signals, long and short signals. Ethereum is here. Bitcoin in the 1-hourly chart is here. You see here the daily chart and the important MA21. We are under the daily MA21, very important. Here's the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart looks bullish for the moment because we're over the ribbon band. We have a buy signal here. Everything looks good on the 4-hour chart. A lot of nice guys here on the chat. We are chatting here 24 hours, 7 days a week. I never sleep. I'm always online. And I hope, guys, you will join our great community here on Twitch or on YouTube. So, guys, that's it. That's the quick overview now for Bitcoin. You can see it here, this line, important baseline on the 4-hour chart. It's also here a resistance. I know a resistance is red. We can make it red now. And 53,000, also a very big resistance here because of this baseline of this inverse shoulder head shoulder. Maybe we see a bounce up to this for the short term, for the next time. But guys, attention, tomorrow is Saturday and the day after is Sunday, and the most Sundays they were so bloody. These Sundays we had on the last times, a lot of bloody Sundays. Attention guys, with trading, it's not easy in the moment, but we have a lot of nice targets. We have a lot of nice EMA ribbons and MA21 things. We have a lot of good things. They will help us here for trading. Guys, that's it. I wish you a nice time, wish you the best of luck, and please guys, if you make trades, think about that, make your GA or watch my channel and use my information here for all you need for trading to make your decision if it's going up or down or if you're going long or short. Guys, it doesn't matter if you're going long or short. I wish you the best of luck. I wish you to make millions with your trades. Greetings. Bye bye. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye.